Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Memories of love and loss, like tears that fall like rain. I'm sitting in a sidewalk, watching the raindrops fall, remembering the laughter and the love that stood tall. The rain that whispers secrets of a love that's lost its way, a melancholy melody that echoes through my light. My heart is heavy, like a rain-soaked storm. I'm searching for a refuge from the heartache that I know. Wrapped in modern day, a soothing serenade that whispers, don't ask why. The rainy whispers secrets of a love that's lost its way, a melancholy melody that echoes through my day. My heart is heavy, like a rain-soaked stone. I'm searching for a refuge from the heartache that I've known. Maybe someday I'll find my way back home, where love will be waiting like a warm and cozy tone. But until then, I'll sit and watch the rain and hope that someday love will come again. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Memories of love and loss, like tears that fall like rain.